How's everyone, guys? In our tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to pay with Apple Pay on Pandabuy. Let's start by opening the Pandabuy app and log into your account. Tap the account button below. Here, tap the balance button and then click top up. Enter the amount that you want. After that, click the confirm below. Now on the checkout tab, choose the bank card's payment option or the second option as you can see on the screen. That includes Apple Pay. Then tap the pay button below. It will go to another tab. Simply log in to your account card or to your Apple Pay. Now just complete the transaction by entering the required information, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.